I run Trading for Profit. This is just a real quick video just to introduce myself. I always find it better to be able to put a face to a name. So if you hear me on any of the webinars, you'll actually know what I look like. Guys, we've put together a very simple couple of courses which allows the individual to enter the marketplace and learn how to trade very quickly and very easily. It's a very unique system. It's a 1, 2, 3 step system, so if you can count to 3, you can certainly do this. The great thing with the course, it's very unique in terms of trading, is that the profits that you make are tax-free. Now that's literally unheard of. It is unheard of in the current marketplace, and it's very, very simple. The great thing with it is there's no margin calls, there's no overnight positions. Every trade, everything that we do with a maximum time frame is 5 minutes. So at the end of 5 minutes it's done, you've got a result, and you either know you've been successful or you haven't. So if you're interested in being able to make an extra $100, $200 a day part-time, you don't want to mortgage the house, you don't want to blow the credit card out to learn how to do it, this may just be the course for you. Check us out at www.tradingforprofit.com.au. Fill out the contact form and either myself or one of the guys will be in contact, tell you a little bit more about it and see if it's what you're looking for. Hope you're having a great day. Talk to you soon. Cheers. Bye.
Guys, this is just a short video to show you how our proprietary BDI indicators work. Currently we are on the Euro US dollar on the 1 minute chart. So for those of you that haven't traded before, what that means is each one of these candles represents 1 minute in time. The green ones mean they're going up, the red ones mean they're going down. What we get is we get an arrow pointing in the direction of which way we think the movement is going to go, either up or down. Now these arrows pop up 30 seconds before the candle finishes, so it gives us plenty of time to make a decision. When you become a member of Trading for Profit, we actually have complementary indicators that are not currently on the screen. So what we have is we have, for example, sake, an indicator here that's come up saying yes, there is the potential for a profitable bet in this direction. We look at our complementary indicators. If they confirm what we're looking at, then we place the bet over a 5 minute period, and each candle represents 1 minute in time, so that would be 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and that would be a successful bet. The platform that we use to put the bets on is called Bet on Markets. It's very simple and easy to do. Right now we've got it set up for the Euro US dollar on a 5 minute time frame, so the bet starts now, it ends in 5 minutes. We're looking for a US dollar payout of $100. So if we think, or we get an indicator suggesting that it's going to rise, we would click on this button and that would put us in the market for 5 minutes. If we think it's going to fall, we would click on this button and that would put us in the market for 5 minutes in a downward direction. So in this particular case, if we thought it was going to fall over the next 5 minutes and we clicked on the button, the bet would cost us $52.45. We'd give us a net profit of $47.55 or a net return on our money of 91%. Because it's a bet, it's tax-free, as long as it's not your main source of income. So it's very cool. It is a skill. You do need to learn it, but we've got some great educational material, and with these BDI indicators, they greatly assist us in making correct decisions. So what we do now is literally just wait. We generally spend about an hour to a maximum of an hour and a half on the computer during the day, and we just wait for these indicators, the BDI indicators, to pop up, send an alert. we get a confirmation indicator, and if it all tees up, we place the bet and off we go. The great thing with this is you can start with as little as $1 while you're practicing. Actually, we practice on a virtual account, but when we go live, we start with as little as $1, and then we can actually build it up, and we can make it, little as $2 there, and you can go right up to $50,000. So there's a lot of scope for what we want to do. Purely for this example, what we're going to do is do a bet of $100. So we just price the bet, we have everything up and ready, and we'll just wait for an alert. So I'll come back to you once we get an alert, and we'll place the bet, and we'll show you how it all works. Cheers. Alright guys, we have actually now received a signal on the BDI. So we've got 20 seconds to go before we actually place the bet. So with the arrow pointing up here, we'll be looking for a rise. So what we do is 3-4 seconds left. All we need to do is just click on buy this bet, and that'll get us into the trade. So what now happens is we've entered here at 0600 or 143.44. It's gone against us slightly at the moment, but we've got 5 minutes for it to run, so we should be okay. And what we need is at the end of 5 minutes, we need the currency to be at 143.45 or above, and we have won the bet. And it's as simple as that. Doesn't need to be made any more difficult. So we just let that run. We've got our entire risk on the table. If it goes against us, we can't, have an exponential loss or anything of that nature. It's pretty straightforward and simple. So, and when we win, we win. So what I'm going to do is just put the video on pause for a couple of minutes while this pans out, because it's going to run for 5 minutes. And as we get a little bit closer to the end of the 5-minute mark, I'll come back, show you how it's traveled, and we'll go from there. Cheers. All right, we're just coming back. We've got approximately 20 odd seconds left to go in the bet. So we got the indicator here. I've got another couple of screens, so we were looking at the other chart there and saw that we got the confirmation indicator with what we were doing. So we entered the bet. What's happened there is the bet has jumped around and it's risen up here. We were looking for a flash up or a rise. So because it's now going to finish above this line here, we've won. So that's basically a win of $47 odd, and that's as simple as it is, guys. It is a skill. You do need to learn it, but you stay on the virtual account until you have that skill down pat, and then you start with a very small amount of money in your live account, $200, as you develop your competence, which gives you confidence, and you keep going. And yeah, just wait for the signals, get the confirmation with the other indicators we have, place the bet, and off you go. So if you do like what you see, love to have you on board and help you get where you want to go. If not, thank you very much for your time. Have a great day. Cheers.
Peck is my name. I'm 73 years old and I just want to endorse and recommend Philip's training program. At my age, I went through a stage where I was a complete computer dummy. I must have been the world's champion computer dummy. But with Phil's patience and his perseverance, I have now learned how to trade successfully. And I'm getting 5 correct trades on a regular basis. Just quickly, I have been involved in looking for something to support my pension income, and I looked at various programs ranging from $11,500 up to $28,000, all very risky, all very suspect. But this particular program I can recommend without any hesitation. I'd even recommend it to my family and friends, which I wouldn't have done with other programs. It works and it will produce results if you follow the rules.